Hello everyone and welcome to another video from the Tesla Geek series, where we take a look at all the Tesla news and fundamentals in one video and try to get a better idea about the entire Tesla ecosystem. As always, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more future Tesla content to come. And also you can find all the links to those articles in the video description, so you can check it yourself as well. Now, starting things off, we have some major analysts talking about some very interesting stuff like autonomy connecting with SpaceX Starlink, which actually would make so much sense in my opinion, because if you think about it, for the autonomous network you need at least some kind of connectivity to the internet, and if you are not in a high dense city with 5G, which is something the autonomous network would start with at first, you need some really good connections outside these dense urban areas. So Starlink would be actually a perfect choice, and I think, or at least Morgan Stanley thinks, this is one of the possible use cases. So we talked about the number 1 point already, and number 2 for that matter, a little bit about the number 3 as well. So going to number 4, the antenna costs from Starlink would improve drastically for the new mobility clients, because as you may know, it now costs about $500 and the price could go down to about $200 by 2030 and $100 by 2040. This obviously remains to be seen, but it's some interesting calculations from some major analysts. And also you can maybe say that the total number of autonomous cars and autonomous aircraft may ultimately exceed the 1.2 billion cars on Earth today. So this would mean that the total addressable market of this synergy would extend far beyond these households in remote underserved parts of the world, which is now the starting point for Starlink. Also, another analysts from Oppenheimer are raising the Tesla price target because they figured out some manufacturing advantages, so they are finally catching up to the Tesla fundamentals. It seems they are really praising the vertical integration of the production, and also they are looking to the deployment of full self-driving in the coming years, which would improve the safety a lot. And also they were for sure impressed by the 2020 production, which was impacted by COVID, but still all the targets and outperform any other vehicle maker. Another company raising the targets, which is UBS, and they think that Tesla is one of the most valuable software companies in the world, or at least on path to becoming one. So it seems they are finally picking up on the fact that Tesla is not just a car company, but it's mostly a software company. They are also making all the computational chips and hardware in-house, and also the software. So there is so much effectivity in Tesla, and also there is still this huge opportunity with the fully autonomous driving and some other software which would be included after the launch of the full self-driving, for example for some entertainment for the passengers, etc. So they see it as a huge opportunity and huge potential for Tesla. And also we have analysts from Webbush who are saying that Tesla would be a 1 trillion company by the end of 2021, and therefore the sell-off is a massive buying opportunity. They are mostly coming from the China demand and also the high demand in other parts of the world. So despite all the COVID stuff, the Tesla still cannot produce enough cars to meet their demand. So yeah, it seems the huge funds are finally realizing the true potential of Tesla, and maybe will start pumping more capital towards Tesla stock. Also, there are some news about the new India Gigafactory, which may be even lower cost for Tesla than a Giga Shanghai in terms of producing EVs. So there is some nice competition between India and China in who can provide the lower manufacturing costs, which is all great for Tesla and Tesla shareholders. So we will have to wait and see how the new Giga India will unfold. So far it seems to be on the right track. Also, in similar fashion to the last week's UK informations about registrations, similar thing happened in Germany. So registrations are up 180% year over year in February 2021 of all the Tesla cars. cars, which takes about 10.5% of market share. So if we look at this table, we can see that it was pretty much only a Tesla and smart cars increasing their year-over-year registrations. Obviously great for Tesla and Tesla shareholders. Now to some competition between NIO and Tesla in China at least. There has been a decline of deliveries in units in February of NIO cars in China, which were down about 23% compared to January, and this may be thanks to the Model Y in China, also because they slashed the price of its SUV by 30% on the website, so there was a huge explosion in demand. So I would say some healthy competition in between the EV brands in China. Then we have some update from Elon Musk about the full self-driving subscription, and he's hoping that it will be launched in Q2 2021, so you won't have to be buying the whole full self-driving package, which now costs $10,000 US. So Elon Musk notes that buying a full self-driving package upfront will still be a better long-term deal for you than buying a subscription. However, if you have not bought it and still want to use it from time to time, the subscription is a great feature for you and also for Tesla, because there is plenty of users who don't have the full self-driving package and who won't have it in the future or can afford it, for example. So this way they still can get some revenue from the full self-driving. And another news for the Tesla's new version of full self-driving beta. Elon Musk says that he has the version 8.1, which normally drives him around with no interventions, and that the next version is a big step change beyond that. So Tesla is solving a major part of real-world AI problem, and that this is not widely known. Also, that beginning with the version 9, it will be much more widely offered. That's the beta version. Hopefully it will be the next month. Some really promising and positive news from the full self-driving autonomous software right from the Elon Musk himself. And then we have finally just some short news about Tesla Energy. There was this study in the University of Queensland in late 2019 where they tested the Tesla Energy storage connected to the grid, whether it can generate an income, and from the reports it seems that it's been successful. So from this it looks that the battery energy storage in general is well positioned and could improve the grid stability and improve the usage of renewable energy with the increasing demand of electricity also from the electric vehicles. And finally we have a new patent from Tesla on some colored solar tiles and also new shapes, which is really cool for all the people who are thinking about using the Tesla solar tiles on their roofs. The patent describes the use of various colors, including gray tones from dark to light, earth tones, cedar color for appearance, and a print appearance as well. And they also show this new profile, this new shape, which looks much more like a traditional roof tile. So pretty exciting for the future of the Tesla Energy. And this is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button and subscribe for more Tesla content to come on this channel. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!